everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. So yes, after a very long time, I'm doing this kind of a video where I'm just sitting and talking to all of you. I have been giving lots of content like fitness challenges, diet related videos and many more useful things that you are apparently liking very much. But yes, I wanted to do this kind of a video as well because where I could actually talk my heart out and talk to all of you, because I think that's very important as well. So yes, this video would be all about the journey so far and what I learned. Specifically, the last year went really good in terms of learning, growth, and I did lots of things. If you follow me on various platforms like Instagram, on YouTube, you know that we have grown a lot. We have come from shooting on my own, sitting at my home like I'm doing right now, to shooting in a studio with full-blown production. So you have seen that journey if you have been with me since a very long time. I started with my sharing. I started this channel with my experiences and my things and how health is important to me, and then suddenly I transformed it and have been, imparting trainings to like lakhs of students now. Last year GGT Fit, we have been training like more than lakh women. That's an incredible number. For anyone to achieve this, I think it has been a pleasure. It has been most overwhelming thing that I could wish for. Thank you so much for your love and support as always, and I wish you all a very happy new year first, because yes, I want all of you to have an amazing year ahead. I know things are not going that well right now. I hope everybody sees a good and an amazing year ahead. So yes, this video will be about the journey and the experiences, the things I learned, and how it can be helpful to you as well. If you want to be in this, you want to opt for this kind of a career, if you want to be a fitness enthusiast, or if you want to start something of your own, you can definitely look for this video, because I will be giving out some information about my journey. And also a huge announcement that I want to do, I'll do it in the end of the video. So yes, stay tuned for that. So now, quick story time for all of you. I think I started my channel in 2018, probably in April. Yes, 2018 April. I posted my first video about, I think, a bottle workout, and it was the time when the reason why I started my channel was very much planned. I always wanted to start my own channel, but I never knew that how to do it, how to go about it, and how to impart information. You are just camera phobic, you don't know how to talk to people, you don't know anything. Most of us are like that, and I was really very camera shy by that time. And I remember when I posted my first video, the first thing that came to my mind was, how will people react? Will they like it? I never thought there would be not many people watching it at the first place. So when you are posting your first video, they are like only the inner circle, your family, friends, and all those people watch it. There are no others who come and watch this. But slowly and steadily, as my channel picked up, I got a huge love from all of you. There are so many subscribers who subscribe to my channel in the particular time, like in 2018, and they're with me till now, and I feel so happy about it, because we have built this family for ourselves. But it was not that smooth all the time. Every day, like when I get up, I have to learn lots of things to make sure that I impart that knowledge to you, because when it comes to health and fitness, it is not just about working out, or it's not just about food. It's a lot more. There is a complete science, how your body reacts to this kind of a food, how your body reacts to this kind of exercise. So there's a lot of things that happen. So you cannot do it essay. Like today you think that I want to build my career in fitness or health industry. It's not that 1 minute thing. You have to give some time to yourself on your growth, on your development, and that's what I am doing right now. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I go on for certification courses every 3 to 6 months. Like I never stop. These are the list of certifications that I have up till now, and with each certification, each course, each book that I read, I come across something new. I come across something that I haven't read before. So the point here is that it takes a lot of time, patience, and that openness to study, that openness to learn something new, that openness to knowledge. That's very important, first and foremost, if you want to be in this kind of a career, because at the end of the day, it's your student's life that's in your hand. So you have to take care of it very, very seriously, and you have to understand what they're expecting out of it. They are expecting an expertise, and you have to develop that skill. So yes, these are the certifications that I have done, and there are so many that I have been doing, because I don't want to stop. I would love to learn about it more and more. About health and fitness, when I started my journey, the one thing that was surrounded across this industry were myths. Some said eat more food, some said do more exercise, some said go in a keto, some said don't eat fruits and vegetables because they have lots of carbs. So there was so many confusion. The only thing that will help you in this case is the right knowledge. But when I started my journey, there were very limited sources, but nowadays you have so many sources to learn, and one of those amazing learning platform is Class Plus Special. There they have so many courses related to health and fitness, like live fitness classes, 12-week transformation, and then get in shape programs. So many programs that you can choose for yourself, and you can work out, you can learn many things at anywhere by downloading the app that Class Plus Specials offer. It's an amazing learning platform. All you need to do is just go to the website. You have to choose the course that you want to learn, and then you have to proceed to checkout. That's it. If you want to learn anywhere, anytime, you can also download the customized app. That's very much interesting and a great learning platform for everybody. Also, because they have collaborated with us on this particular video, you can get extra 10% off. You can use my code GLOW10 to get 10% off on all the courses that you purchase. And yes, you are at the correct time if you want to learn in this day and age of knowledge and information. It's the right time where you should find these kinds of platforms and learn about it, and learn from it. So yes, surely give it a try. The link would be there in my description. When I started my journey, the idea was to just look a certain way, to lose weight, so everybody compliments you that you are looking very slim. But now the idea of fitness for me is very different, because I have a journey of like 10 years now, and I know that in the last 10 years I have learned that health and fitness is much more correlated to the way you feel rather than the way you look. So yes, if you want to be in this field or want to make a career out of it, focus on this as your core rather than thinking about looking a certain way or a certain shape. Definitely it will make you feel good if you are feeling if you drop some few kgs out of your body and you feel light, that's very important as well. But the reason should be right. It should not be the reason that I have to lose my weight and you look a certain way. That's the byproduct that will come if you focus on the right things. These are just the byproducts. So my focus will always be on long-term thing, developing lifestyle. That's why I came up with the solutions, like the programs on GLD Fit. All of them are focused around lifestyle. Whenever I come up with any kind of a program, so my motivation is to make sure that you develop certain habits, you develop the knowledge base, you develop that skill that's very important to do anything in life. So yes, that's it about today's video. Last year went really amazing. We did something, I started from shooting on my own, as I said in the beginning, in my own room, and then we developed and created our own studio with a full-blown production team. Now I have a videographer, I have my PR manager, I have a stylist, I have a manager, like a lot of big team for the production that I have. So I feel so proud of it, because I think in 1 year of a time we made this possible. We made our own kitchen studio so that we can shoot recipes out there, and lot more things. I have been recognized with so many awards this year. So last year has been an amazing journey. Health-wise, we all suffered a lot because of the situation that we are facing right now as well. But yes, apart from those things, I think career-wise, my graph has for me, I think I'm very happy and satisfied because me, my team work really hard to make sure that whatever comes to you, you get the best output out of it. And it seems very easy for people to say, yeah, these are regular videos and what it takes, but it takes a lot. It takes a lot from my team also to come up with the ideas, from managing all the stuff and then executing it. So it takes a lot, and I am really proud of them, and I am really proud of all of you out there, because I don't think without your support, without your love that you always keep showering me, I'll be able to do that. So keep loving me like this, as you all do, for all the ways. And I feel so blessed to have the most amazing subscriber base, the most amazing family. As I say, you are my GGT family. The day when I thought of this name, my heart was full of love for all the women and girls out there who watch my channel. And today when I say GGT family, I feel so proud and happy that we are able to make this a strong family, and all of you out there give me so much love and support. I'm really grateful and thankful to all of you. And yes, looking forward to the new milestone, and I know all of you also are looking, because whenever I see the comments, there are so many people commenting 1 million soon, 1 million soon. So yes, that's a milestone that I thought of myself, and we will reach there eventually, but that won't stop us, because we have to grow into a bigger family, and that will be only possible with your love and support that you always do. Thank you so much. And that's it for this video. I hope you will like it. This was not this was just a heart-to-heart conversation, and as I said in the beginning also, that I want to announce something. I'll be coming up with a podcast on this channel. This channel, you have seen fitness challenges, diet-related videos, but we don't talk about mental health that much. So I thought that coming up with a podcast series like this, like the name that you will get to know very soon, will actually encourage you to understand various women, various girls, their experiences, and different kinds of situations that we are subjected to. So there would be so many things in this podcast, and I hope you will like it. You comment below and tell me what would be your preferred time to release it out, and what all topics you want me to cover in it. The basis of the podcast will be around you, your body, how women deals with body shaming, how women deals with variety of stuff and issues that happens around them. So yes, I hope you will like it, but I want to know, and all of you to suggest what all topics you want to hear from, and we will definitely have the series launched very soon. So yes, do suggest the topics, and along with that, the timings that you want me to release this podcast probably once in every week. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.